Let's look at how you can use the dashboard to explore recent trends in arts and culture participation and engagement across England. The dashboard makes it very easy to examine trends in your specific local authority. Here's what you first see. This is a 4-page dashboard, and you can use the buttons at the top or the page navigation at the bottom to jump to a section. On the Local Authorities page is a map of England. On the right, you'll find a list of activities and a breakdown of attendance and participation. On each of the dashboard's pages, you can drill down into the data. At first, you'll see data for the whole of England. Clicking on a map region will filter the data on the page. For example, clicking South Norfolk updates the percentage metric and the chart to show data for that region only. You can zoom in for a closer view if needed. You can click on the filter icon at the top right of the map to search for a specific region from the menu. If you want to deselect the region and return to the unfiltered view, simply click on an empty area of the sea. On the top left of the map, you'll find tools for selecting larger areas. Click the lasso tool, then click once on the map and move your pointer around to draw a shape. Click again and all the local authorities inside the shape will be selected. The polygon tool is similar. Click the tool once, then click once anywhere on the map. Each subsequent click will add a new corner to the shape. Double-click or click on an existing point to select all the local authorities within the shape. You can filter by activities. In the list at the top of the page, you can click to select an activity and display its participation rate. Holding the Control key enables you to select more than one activity to compare. The dashboard has much more to offer. Click the Demographics button to switch to page 2, where you can examine the impact of various demographic data on specific activities. On the left, you can pick from lists of activities and demographics. The data is then displayed on the chart. For example, you could select choreography or dance as the activity, then age as the demographic. The chart updates accordingly, and you can compare data from 22-23 with 23-24. Moving to the Activities page, you'll find a scatter chart that can be used to visualize correlation between activities. How does cinema compare to theatrical performance, for example? At the top left, you can filter the chart to only show data for specific local authorities. Hold the Control key to select more than one area at a time. The Occupations and Engagement page has a similar layout, but instead of comparing activities with demographics, here you can plot activities against occupational data. This dashboard accompanies the Creative PEC's report Arts, Culture and Heritage, Recent Trends in UK Workforce and Engagement in England, which is part of our flagship State of the Nations series. Download the report from pec.ac.uk, where you'll also find our extensive back catalogue of research on the UK's creative industries. That's pec.ac.uk. This dashboard was prepared by Dr. Ruoxi Wang from the University of Sheffield for the Creative PEC as part of our State of the Nations research. The Creative PEC is funded by the Arts and Humanities Research Council.